Next we can study how to find this 1/5 of 10, 1/7 of 21, 1/4 of 24, 1/9 of 90, like these questions. Okay. Then first we can go to 1/5 of 10. First one, 1/5 of 10. Okay. Now you know how to write this 1/5. How we will write 1/5? It's a 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of 10. 1/5 of 10 we can write as 1 by 5 of 10. Then in maths, of is multiplication. The word of, it means multiplication. 1 by 5 into 10. Okay. So, it's equal to 1 into 10 is 10 by 5. Then 10 by 5, it means 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5, how much it is? It's 2. Okay, it's the correct method. Okay, this is the correct method to solve this. Okay, we are not going to study this much briefly. Okay, then how we will do? We will write this 1 by 5 of 10. 1 by 5 of 10 means it's equal to 10 divided by 5. Okay, we avoid 2 steps and here we reach to the 10 divided by 5. 1 by 5 of 10 means it's a 10 divided by 5. Okay, 10 divided by 5. How much it is? 1 into or 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, it's clear? You want to study like this. Okay, now we can go to the second question. Second question, 1/7 of 21. 1/7 of 21. How we will write? 1/7 means 1 by 7 of 21. 1 by 7 of 21. How we will write it? It's 21 divided by 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7. What is the answer? We want to go through the multiplication table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Then 7 threes are 21. So the answer is 3. Okay, clear? Now we can go to the third question. 1/4 of 24. 1/4 of 24. Then 1/4, how we can write? It's a 1 by 4 of 24. It's equal to 1 by 4 1 by 4 of 24 we can write as 24 divided by 4. Okay, 24 divided by 4. Then what is the answer? For this we want to know the multiplication table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. Then 4 6 are 24. So what is the answer? It's a 6. Okay, now we can go to the fourth question. It's 1/9 of 90. 1/9 of 90. Fourth question, 1/9 of 90. How we can write 1/9, it's 1/9 of 90. 1/9 of 90, isn't it? It's equal to 90 divided by 9. It's equal to 9 into which number gives 90? 9 into 10 gives 90. So what is the answer? It's a 10. Okay. Now we can go to the textbook. It's page number 117. The first one given below is a picture of 20 flowers. Draw a circle to show 1/5 of the flower. Then 1/5 of the flowers. Okay, 1/5. How we will write? It's 1/5 of flowers. Total how much are there? 20 flowers. Okay, it's 1/5 of 20. It's given 20 flowers and we want to find 1/5 of these flowers. So 1/5 of 20. How we will write? 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. How much it is? 5 into 4 gives 20. So it's 4 flowers. So it's circle 4 flowers. Okay. Now we can go to the exercise. It's a first question. 1/2 of 14. How we can write 1/2 of 14? 1/2. How we will write? It's 1/2 of 14. Then 1/2 of 14. How we will write? 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2. What is the answer? 2 into which number gives 14? Okay, go through the multiplication table of 2. You got the answer? 2 into 7 gives 14. So it's 7. How we will circle it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then next one, 1/3 of 21. Okay, 1/3 of 21. How we will write 1/3? 1/3 means it's a 1/3 of 21. 1/3 of 21. It's equal to 21 divided by 3. Then 3 into which number gives 21? Okay, go through the table of 2. Sorry, table of 3. Go through the table of 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So it's 7. Then we want to select 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm selecting like this. Anyway, you can select. Okay. The next question, 1/4 of 8. 1/4. How we will write? It's 1/4 of 1/4. It's 1/4. Then remains it's of 8. 1/4 of 8. It's equal to 8 divided by 4. It's equal to 8 divided by 4. What is the answer? 4 into which number gives 8? 4 into 2 gives 8. Okay. Then we want to circle 2. Okay. The remaining question number D, E, F, G. You want to do as homework. Okay. With this, we can wind up today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.